Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm bringing you a really exciting video. This is a prep and pack for holiday with me. Now I'm coming to you from the future. I'm back from holiday. I've had a haircut. I basically filmed so much stuff when I was away and I need to sort them out all into individual vlogs. And I don't think I did many intros, didn't do many outros, and I wasn't actually sure whether to upload this video because I really want to get straight into all the Disney Universal stuff, but it's all filmed and I was editing it and I was like, I need to stop filming things and not uploading them, so we're uploading this one. So this is a little prep and pack with me. I had such a busy week the run up to holiday. Like, I was so stressed. I think you can kind of tell in this video it's very hectic, and it was also Rory's birthday the first weekend whilst we were away, so I was sorting all of his presents out, I was packing, I was getting work done, we had a site visit. So I really hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe because it would mean so much to me. So I'm just about to go into town because one of his I didn't say Christmas presents, one of his birthday presents has been delivered to a shop in town, so I need to go and get that. I then need to go to Primark and, well, the shopping centre that's got like H&M River Island, and have a little look in there. I need to start packing. We've got washing on the go. If you can hear the washing machine, that's because there has been 3 loads of washing going on this morning. I need to sort out Rory's presents and get them wrapped whilst he's not in. I need to get him some decorations. I need to get him a cake because we're going to have dinner with his family tonight to celebrate his birthday. So we've got a lot to do. These next 2 days, we've got a lot of stuff to do. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. Okay. Well, I'm back from town. I got my parcel, so that's Rory's present that I've got. I also went to the card factory. The cards there were awful, but I did manage to get some wrapping paper and some, like, what's it called? Like the stuff that you put on wrapping paper. Oh my god, what are they called? The little stickers. I'm feeling very rushed. We need to get to the shopping centre now. I have also had, literally, as I was leaving the flat, the postman was at the front door and he's like, I've got some parcels for you. I was like, right, thank you. What? I have got some Tim Tams, look. I never, ever fail to get surprised at like PR that I get sent. Hi Millie, if you can't get to Bondi, get to the biscuit aisle. Tim Tam White is here. Oh my god, I've got a whole pack of oh no, I have tried Tim Tams before. I've got a whole pack of white Tim Tams from Tim Tam. Tim Tam. I've got 3 hours. I've got 3 hours to be there, get some bits and come back again. So let's go. First thing, I've got lots of socks. I wanted like the thicker sports socks, but then I did also see these cute little Disney ones. I'll show you everything when I get home, but these are really cute. I need to go and get Rory some sports socks as well because we're thinking thicker socks will be better. Next on my list is some Disney pyjamas. So I've actually got Rory some Mickey Mouse pyjamas for his birthday. So I feel like I really need Disney ones. Oh, it was those mini ones that I wanted to get. Hang on. Yeah, it was these ones that I've seen online. I think I might just get them. And then he's got some Mickey ones and I've got some mini ones. How much are these? £13. They do actually have so many cute Disney pyjamas. They've got these Bambi ones. What are these? Hello Kitty. They've got loads of cute Winnie the Pooh ones as well. I can't decide. Look at these Winnie the Pooh ones. Some green striped trousers. Got the Incredibles. God, there's so many Disney. It's like they knew that I was going to Disneyland. What have we got over here? More of these. Oh, they've got trousers. I do think these are so cute. I think they're quite wintry, unlike this little set here. They're just giving winter, and obviously it's going to be so hot there, so I think they're probably the best bet. Right, I'm back from the shops. I need some scissors. Hang on a second. I swear to God, finding scissors in this flat is like, oh, there we go. You see a pair and then they just disappear. Right, I'm back from the shops. All I got from Primark was those pyjamas and socks. I think I showed you them. But to be honest, I didn't really have time to have a proper look. The only thing that I haven't got is a black swimming costume. I really wanted just like an all-in-one black nice swimming costume because when we go to the water parks and stuff, I wanted like an all-in-one that I feel comfortable in. I did get one from Pretty Little Thing earlier, but I'm too tall for it. It feels tight around my neck, so I was gonna have a look, and I did go into River Island and H&M super quick, but there's no swimming there anymore, funnily enough. Right, what have we got here? This is Rory's present that I got him. Basically, I have got a Sporty and Rich hoodie and it's so comfortable, and Rory always steals it off me. He always steals my Sporty and Rich hoodie and I always tell him off, and I always say, and because it's grey as well, I'm just like worried that he's going to stain it when he's cooking. So I have got him his own Sporty and Rich hoodie basically. So that is what has come, and it was attempted delivery twice and we weren't in, we missed it. So then I just got it delivered to WH Smith, and I got it from Net-a-Porter, and I did get it gift wrapped, but obviously I want to have a look at it and I can't get into the bloody box. They've given me some spare wrapping paper as well. So it's basically, I don't really want to unfold it because it's all folded nice. It's basically just a Sporty and Rich hoodie, dark charcoal grey. The one I've got is a light grey because I thought I'm not getting him the exact same one that I've already got, so I just got him a dark grey one. So that needs wrapping up. I got these from the Card Factory. I think I'm just going to pack them and take them with me, and I can stick them on when I'm there because I don't want these to get all crushed and stuff in the case, so they can go in the case. What else did I get? Some candles to take tonight. Where do I put them? So I'm going to sit, I'm going to get these presents wrapped. My mum's got him a cookbook which is so big and fat and heavy, and again the weight in the case for this, I am thinking he might possibly have to open this before we go because yeah, it's so heavy. But it's this book. I don't know what it's about. Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat is the name. He has seen this in Waterstones many times. When he comes in with me when I'm like looking at books, he always seems to go and pick this book up, and he even said last time we were in there, he was like, I always look at that book, I should just get it. So that's why mum's got it. But I think it's just a recipe book, but the 4 elements of good cooking: salt, fat, acid, heat. I don't know, but that's what he's got. So I'm just going to wrap these up now, super quick, and then I can I don't know. I'm going to see how long it takes me, but I would quite like to start getting some outfits and stuff together. Put a TikTok on, and I was basically just like, help, like what trainers can I get, because my New Balance have started to hurt me. And I had quite a few recommendations, but one girl commented these Nike trainers. So these are what are these? Nike Vomero 5. I think they're called like Nike Zoom Vomero 5, I think. Vomero 5, anyway, but they're these, and I'm obsessed. I didn't want another white pair of trainers. I was like, I've got so many white pair of trainers, I need to get something different. I've ordered a couple of different ones, but these are my favourite, and these are the ones that I'm going to be keeping. So they're these ones, and the soles are so like cushioned and comfy. It is these ones, isn't it? Yeah, it is these ones. I had some New Balance come as well, but I was like, I can't. I do not need another pair of New Balance trainers. So these are the Nike ones. These are what we are keeping. I have another pair that are like a really pale grey and white, which I didn't like as much as these. And then the other New Balances that I got, because someone commented to try these New Balance instead. They're very, very similar, and I love the navy on them, but I just think those Nike ones are a little bit different. So these are the New Balance 1906. Yeah, 1906R. I don't know what that means, but yeah. So these are the New Balance ones that I was recommended as well, and these actually feel really comfy. The only thing with these ones is the sole felt firmer, whereas the Nike ones felt quite spongy.
I wanna be with you, hey. I wanna be with, I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100.
Oh my god, guys, it is the next day. It's the next evening. I completely forgot to vlog today. I have literally been in autopilot mode today. Like, everything has just been go, go, go. I'm literally sat in Rory's dressing gown, so I've been packing. I am so, just everything, even Rory, like Rory is normally so chill before a holiday. He's all ready, and even tonight he is like stressing because there are things that he needs to do. So yeah, that's why I'm in Rory's dressing gown, because I've been packing and I've been trying things on. Had my nails done. So today, what did I do today? Got up so early, finished a quote from my client, so I got that sent off. Done. Do need to reply to some emails, but that's a later on job. Had my nails done, went dark. I was going to do bright red, and I was like, oh, it's nearly October. So yeah, nails were done. Then I went to a site visit, which was really good. It was really nice. That was in North London. It was about an hour drive to get there, but yeah, it was really good. Really nice house. I'm going to do a proposal and everything for that client, probably on the plane tomorrow. I need things to try and keep myself busy on the plane, so I'm going to do that. And I said to her, I was like, yeah, I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so I'm going to try and get this proposal done in the air. Then we have been packing. My head is literally hurting. How stressed are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Holiday, not really.
But before holiday?
Very. Not good.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. There's not a lot of room going on here either, is there?
No.
I need to put my Kindle on. Right, let's have tea. What have we got? Ooh, this looks yummy. Right, I need to get my Kindle and put that on charge. Hang on. Underwear is in. We've got brand new socks there. We've got ponchos there. Clothes are in this side. We actually, we can take 2 cases each. And I would quite like to because I fear I may do some shopping when I'm there. So yeah, I kind of have room, but I kind of want to take the second case, but to be fair, that might become very heavy when all of my toiletries and stuff are in. So I'm just going to keep going. What else do I need to do? I need to get my camera on charge. We got some fans each, so we both got one of these little portable fans, which are actually really good. I could do with this now, to be honest. Oh, it's got a torch on the bottom of it, but I could really do this now. I'm so hot. So I've got this dressing gown on. I'm going to get in the shower in a minute and I don't know what to put on. So, because I was changing in and out of clothes, so I was just like, oh, I'll just keep this dressing gown on, but I'm so hot. I need to open some windows. And then I've got these. These are camera batteries, spare batteries. So I need to get these open now and see if they need to charge. And then I've got pyjamas out. I think I'm going to take 2 pairs. Will that be enough? I feel like I should take 3. I've got a 3rd pair there, to be fair. I think I'll take 3. Crocs, because apparently Crocs are really comfy, for when you're at Disney, and if your trainers start to hurt you, apparently it's good to have Crocs with you. I literally have just pulled these out from the depths of my cupboard because I don't really wear them anymore, but I'm going to take them just in case. I've got my nice sandals. I don't know whether, again, to take some heels, because obviously we're going to, I keep saying Clearwater, St. Petersburg. Same kind of thing, St. Pete's, Clearwater, same thing. And I just don't know in the evening if I'll want to wear heels, but I feel like I won't. So I think I'm just going to take them. I've got my flip-flops for when we're around the pool and if we go to the water parks. And then I've got my trainers. So these are my new night trainers. I don't know if I've shown you these, but these are my new trainers, which I have not worn yet. So I'm praying that they do not rub me. And then I've got my trusty New Balance. I might take a 3rd pair because I think I'm going to have enough space. I'm thinking that's my little airport outfit down there. I'm thinking these might come with, because these are more New Balance. They're a little bit they're a bit dirty though. Why are they dirty? I didn't know they would. I barely wear them, but they're quite comfy. And I was thinking these could come along with. I've got an umbrella. Right now, everyone keeps saying that there's going to be storms and rain most days, and we have got ponchos. And I think I'm just going to take an umbrella just in case, but maybe more if we're not in the parks. Oh, my voice. Yeah, maybe more if we're not. I feel like our umbrella, oh my God, are umbrellas even allowed in the parks? I don't know, but I've got one. I'm just going to take it, to be honest, and we'll see if other people, oh, my mum's FaceTiming me. Oh, I've just made myself a little to-do list. I've pretty much got everything in. It's just, I've got all these shoes and stuff down here to go in, and then I'm just going to shower quickly, wash my hair, get a bit of fake tan on. I also need to tint my eyebrows, and then it's just my last bit. So I've just made myself a list of everything that needs to go in, so I can basically just go down that list and put it in. It's just kind of like makeup, skincare, jewellery, little bits like that. So we're going to shower, and then we can do all the little bits after that, but I just feel like I need to shower and tan and just get that out of the way, because that's going to take a minute. I'm trying to not get too distracted by filming so I don't forget anything, but I do still need to fake tan. But I'm just finishing up my packing and I'm just doing all my toiletries. So this bag is ripping somewhere and I feel like it's probably not going to last me so long, but I don't have anything else. So this is for all of my skincare and bathroom stuff. So I think I'm going to take this Coco and Eve shampoo and conditioner. I wasn't too bothered to take a shampoo and conditioner, but I feel like these are just good little sizes to take with me. I've been using their hair mask and really like it, so I'm going to take the shampoo and conditioner because I haven't opened them yet. I've also got in the Beauty Works 10-in-1 Miracle Spray. Love this. I've got a little Tresemme oil just because it was the smallest little tube of oil that I've got. And then I've also put in something that I got sent and I haven't had a chance to try yet, is this. This is from Philip Kingsley and it's called Swim Cap. Water resistant mask. Shields hair from chlorine and salt water. And I think, yeah, so I think you're just meant to put it in your hair when you're going to be around the pool and in water, in the sea. So I can slick my hair back with this and hopefully it will protect it a little bit. Then I'm taking with me moisturisers. I'm taking this Marine Miracle cream and eye cream from Transformulars. Never heard of these before until they sent me these moisturisers, but have really been liking these for in the day. So I'm taking them, and I've also been using, these are Beauty Pie Super Drops Brightening Niacinamide Drops. So I'm going to take them because I really like them, and that is basically like my little day skincare. In the evening, I put on different things. More often than not, I actually put on not Olbas oil, bio oil. I use that most nights on my skin, but I think to take away with me, I'm going to take, this is a Beauty Pie Triple Hyaluronic Acid Moisturiser. Really like this. It's a little bit thicker for night. I have got loads of new stuff from Drunk Elephant, but I kind of don't want to take away new stuff because I did that when we went to Portugal and my skin was so bad. Got this oat cleansing balm, which is from Beauty Bay, and I haven't used this, but I'm literally taking it because of how small and light it is. And I absolutely love this. This is a new face. It's this mini one, and I got it for Christmas, and I don't think I'd need a big one. I don't know if I've just got a really small face, but like I don't think I could fit anything bigger on my face. But this, yeah, there was just the mini one, and I absolutely love it. I take it everywhere with me, so she can come. And then face drops, I'm using, oh my god, it's literally all rubbed off, but these are Tanologist, and then I just use this little brush, which is St. Moritz, but I feel like every tan brand seems to do these little brushes. I literally don't even know what I look like. My hair is like half drying. It's just air dried. I've just fake tanned, if you can tell. I look so funny, but I'm just sat downloading. It is 20 to 11 now, and I'm just sat downloading. I've downloaded the Bake Off. I've downloaded Strictly from the weekend. Now I need to download Schitt's Creek on Netflix. It's me again from the future. I obviously did not finish this video either. In all fairness, I was very stressed. I was very stressed. So I think I've finished this video literally covered in fake tan with black eyebrows. But that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed. I've got so much vlog content coming. Like I filmed, so I haven't been through any of it yet, but I felt like I think I literally vlogged nearly every single day, so there should be plenty of vlogs coming soon. I'm sorry for taking a little break and disappearing for a little minute. If you have made it to the end, then thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe because it would mean so much to me, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video for the start of the America vlogs. Bye.